Hey guys, Patrick here, your nutrition coach and personal trainer here at Perform and Transform. I got a question for you. When was the last time you took a vacation and where did you go? Weren't you excited to go on vacation? For me, the last trip that I went on was to Hawaii. I was super excited to go. I heard so many things about Hawaii. You can go snorkeling. The cuisine is amazing. You can go hiking. You can check out the volcanoes. You can swim in the water. It is the best place to go. And we went there, my wife and I went there on our honeymoon, which made it even more exciting, right? So how excited were you about the last trip that you went on, right? Try to remember that excitement. Now, I want you to relate this about your body. When you achieve your dream body, how exciting is this gonna be, right? Like, what are you gonna look like? What are you gonna wear? How is your body gonna change? What is your energy gonna look like? Who are the people in your life that are gonna be recognizing you? Wow, Susie, you look fantastic. You look amazing, right? So how excited are you about getting to your ideal body, your dream body? I want you to be excited to get there because it's gonna happen, right? How we're gonna make this happen is something called a vision board. So 8 years ago, when I was 19 years old, I created a vision board for myself over here. It was a cool little activity that I did. And what was amazing looking back upon it was a lot of those things that were on my vision board actually came true. So for example, like I had a bunch of possessions that I wanted. I wanted a car, I wanted a house, I wanted a bunch of LeBron James jerseys. All of those came true. On my vision board, I wanted to travel to Rome. I wanted to travel to Rio de Janeiro. At that time, they had like the FIBA World Cup. I didn't go there for the World Cup, but I ended up going to Rio anyway. So I went there, and so it's just amazing how 8 years ago, I created that vision board, and a lot of the things on that board came true. So one activity that I want you guys to do this week is to create a vision board for your dream body and to stay motivated and stay excited for your dream body over here, right? Sometimes that idea of going on vacation is more exciting than the vacation itself, right? When you're planning for the vacation, when you're telling everybody about the vacation, when you're taking photos, the last day of work, that anticipation of going on vacation is sometimes just as exciting as going on vacation itself. So I want you to be just as excited about getting to your dream body, right? I want you to be telling people, oh man, I'm on this fitness program, I'm getting to my dream body, I'm so excited, right? And so there's 2 steps to making that happen. Number 1 is having that destination in mind, and number 2 is having direction on how you're gonna get there. For example, say I want to go to Hawaii, all right? That's my destination, I'm excited about it. And number 2, what are the tangible steps that I need to do to get to Hawaii, right? What are the planes that I need to go on? How am I gonna get there? What are the schedules that I need to catch? What are the planes and the bus rides I need to catch? The rental cars, right? Those are the step-by-step things that you need as well. So here at Perform and Transform, I'm going to be helping you with the step-by-step formula to get you to your goal. But what I need you to do is get excited about getting to your dream body over here, okay? So this week we're going to be creating a vision board. So what a vision board is, it's a very powerful visualization tool to help you achieve your goals, or in this case, to help you achieve your dream body, okay? So our brain is a very, very powerful tool, okay? Just like software where we can program different softwares, we can program softwares to do pretty much exactly what we want. Our brain is very, very similar. When we can tell our brains that we can do something, our body, our actions, our habits, they're gonna follow suit, okay? So we're gonna help you create an image for yourself in the future, right? And an image and a picture, it's worth 1,000 words, okay? So step 1 over here is to find pictures and images that resonate with you and that represent your future body, right? So pictures can include you, it can include your celebrity, a dream body, it can include some of the foods that you're gonna be eating, the workouts that you're gonna be doing, right? Have words in there that are gonna inspire you and uplift you as well, and then have symbols that are gonna represent what you're gonna look like, okay? So first step is to find images and to find pictures that represent your future body, okay? Be as descriptive as you can. Have a lot of descriptive words on there. Step 2 is to actually build it out and to create it, right? So you can either create it digitally on a software called Canva. I use Canva all the time. Or you can do it by scissor and paper, right? You can get a bunch of magazines, you can cut it out and you can paste it on a piece of paper over here. Okay? So once you have that done, take a picture of it and send it to me because I'd love to be able to see it. Put it on your wall, put it on somewhere where you can see it every single day. So it's gonna give you that daily reminder of this is where I wanna go in X amount of time, all right? So next over here, how we're gonna get there is by setting something called SMART goals, S-M-A-R-T. This stands for specific, measurable, attainable, or achievable, realistic, and timely, okay? So let's break that down. Let's start with the S, specific. Okay, so this is the who, why, when, where, and how. Okay, so who is this going to involve? Who is the person that's going to make this happen? What is it? What's going to happen? When is it going to happen? Where is it going to happen? And why do you want this to happen? Okay, so that's the S. M. That's measurable, all right? So how are you gonna measure that success, all right? Are you gonna lose 10 pounds or 20 pounds? What habits are you gonna build in the meantime, right? Are you going to be logging your food every day, sending pictures every day? Are you gonna be eating vegetables and lean protein and carbs? What workouts are you gonna be doing? How many workouts are you gonna do? The quality of your workouts, right? All of these things can be measurable. Next is the A, achievable. Do you have the necessary skills and the motivation to achieve these goals? Yes, we all do. Losing weight is very, very simple. It comes down to two things. You want to move more and you want to eat less. That's it. So everyone has the tools and the skills to do it. So yes, it is achievable. Is it realistic for me? Is this the season where I'm going to lose weight? Is this the year that I'm going to lose weight? Is this the month? Is this the week that I'm going to get started? Is this the day that I'm going to get started over here? I like to say, whatever you don't get done today, you will not get done tomorrow. So start today. Let's make this happen. Is this realistic for me? Do I have enough time for it? And can I fit it in on my calendar? Next is timely. When do you want to achieve this by? In 6 weeks, in 2 months, in 3 months, in 6 months, in 2 years over here, right? When do you want to achieve this by? A lot of us, the new year is kind of like a fresh start, right? So September over here is like the new school calendar year, and it's the new calendar year, which means it's a new you. So let's try to create a new you, right? By Christmas time, when Christmas rolls around, where do you want to be come Christmas time, right? How do you want your friends and family to see you when you go to those family dinners? What are you gonna wear during those family dinners, right? And it starts now. It doesn't start 2 weeks before Christmas. It starts now because this is the time, this is the season, and let's make this happen together, all right? So for the vision board over here and for the SMART goals, it only takes one person to believe in you and your whole life can change, right? Growing up, I had my basketball coach. He believed in me more than I believe in myself. And I believe in you right now more than you believe in yourself. We've helped hundreds of people, so we can definitely do this together. If you're willing to do your part, I'm willing to do my part as a coach to help guide you there, all right? So this leads us to our nutrition challenge of the week. All right, not really a nutrition challenge, more of a goal setting challenge. Level 1 is to gather words and images that represent your ideal future. Okay, level 2 is you're gonna create your vision board, and then level 3 is you're gonna create your vision board and you're gonna write out your SMART goals. Okay, so let me know in the comment section below what challenge you're gonna be doing this week, and I hope all of you take up the challenge of doing level 3. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of the week. Let's go crush it. And thanks again for allowing us to transform your life through fitness.